Welcome to our channel. While Google Chrome itself doesn't have a built-in Wi-Fi calling feature, you can use web-based calling services through Chrome. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make calls over Wi-Fi using your browser. Step 1. Understand that Wi-Fi calling in Chrome requires using web applications like Google Voice, Skype for Web, or other VoIP services that work in browsers. Step 2. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version installed by going to Settings, then About Chrome to check for updates. Step 3. To use Google Voice for Wi-Fi calling, navigate to voice.google.com in your Chrome browser. Sign in with your Google account. Step 4. If you don't have Google Voice set up, follow the prompts to get a Google Voice number. This is a free service available in the United States. Step 5. Grant Chrome permission to access your microphone when prompted. This is necessary for making calls through the browser. Step 6. Click on the Make a Call button or the phone icon in Google Voice. Enter the phone number you want to call or select a contact from your list. Step 7. Click the Call button to initiate the call. The call will be made over your internet connection using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 8. For other services, you can use Microsoft Teams for Web, Zoom, or Skype. Navigate to their respective websites and sign into your account. Step 9. Ensure your computer's audio settings are configured correctly. Test your microphone and speakers in Chrome settings under Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Step 10. For mobile Wi-Fi calling through Chrome, you'll need to enable Wi-Fi calling through your mobile carrier's settings, not through the browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.